My name is Jeff Badu. I'm a parallel entrepreneur and a wealth multiplier. I'm the founder and CEO of Badu Enterprises LLC, which is a multinational conglomerate in the finance industry. What we do is we provide a suite of financial services, including our marquee company, which is Badu Tax Services, and that's the firm that does tax preparation, tax planning, and tax representation for individuals and businesses across all 50 states in the U.S., and we also have clients in over 20 countries now at the moment. On top of that, I'm a real estate investor through my company, Badu Investments LLC, which is a real estate investment company that invests in apartment buildings, primarily on the south side of Chicago, in efforts to restore traditionally underserved communities. Then we have Badu Life and Health Solutions LLC, which is a life insurance agency that provides life insurance solutions and products to individuals, families, and businesses. Last but not least, I have the Badu Foundation, and that is the financial literacy nonprofit that provides financial literacy education to the youth ages 6 to 18, where we teach them on topics such as budgeting, saving, investing, and scholarships. My purpose in life is to inspire and support the super hungry to take hold of infinite resources in order to create an abundant lifestyle. Now that you know a little bit about me, let's get into the tax planning segment of the Infinite Wealth series. Let's go.